guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get free backlinks. Okay, if you are new to my channel, if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon and leave a comment below and share it with your friend. Maybe they may be interested in making money online. Number one website I'm going to show you is called prepostxu.com. Okay, this website is so powerful. Okay, it's a free tools online that you can use to do a lot of stuff online. Okay, as you can see, empowering 95 plus free online tools. Okay, with over 95 online tools, Prepost SEO pay millions of webmaster, student, teacher, SEO expert and every month. Okay, as you can see, you can use it for plagiarism, article, paraphrase, test, summarize, grammar checker, and domain authority check. As you can see, random address generator, 1469 guest posting sites, and Google indexer, image texter, backlink maker. This is what we are going to fix today on this video. Binary translator. Okay, now after you have checked all these, okay, you may scroll down to see how the website are working. Writing education, as you can see, can do what, counter keyword to type word, tiny text generator, image to text. They have a lot of tools. Okay, a lot of tools. Div checker, small text generator, line counter, and you can still use these tools, okay, to do some other stuff online. Okay, if you have anything to do online, maybe you want to, as you can see, they have HTML, you want to do maybe affiliate or write article, you want to write a blog post, they have it all here. Okay guys, they have it all. Okay, now after you have done checking all these, all you need to do is come to backlink maker. Okay, backlinks maker. Okay, after it has load, okay, scroll down, and this is where you paste your website. Okay, let me paste my website on this page and show you how it is really work. This is my website. Let me copy it. Okay, and go to the Prepost SEO. Okay, let me paste it. I've already done. Okay, or let me paste it and show you guys how it works. Okay, let's create backlinks. It's going to load up. It's going to load up. It's going to load up. As you can see guys, this website I've created a backlink for my website. Okay, as you can see, these are the backlinks: www.alexa.com, www.robtest.com, uptime, and these backlinks are legit. Okay, these backlinks are legit. Now all you need to do is, after you have checked all the backlinks this website I've created for you, there is ton of backlink, almost 51 backlinks. Okay, and now after you have done that, all you need to do is you can click one for you to be sure of what you have created. Okay, for you to be sure of what you have created. Okay, it's load up. It's going to show you, so you know that are available on this advertiser.com. Okay, go to the next, go to the next. Okay, let's check this. Okay, as you can see, this has connected. Okay, as you can see, alphatai0.com. Okay, now this is my backlink. I've already made a backlink with this buildwith.com. Okay, I'm connected with buildwith.com. Now what Google does on this is, when this site posts a article, okay, my backlink will appear on the site. Okay, when when it works like that, Google will rank the website. Okay, depending on the article the website have right. Okay, if I am the one now, go to my site, okay, and write article. Okay, maybe I post article about legit. Okay, and I include this website I've shown you now link. Okay, I this link to the website. Okay, when I does that, Google will now signal my site to make it rank on Google. If someone search for legit, my site will appear depending on the article I write. If my article is almost maybe 7,000 word and on that page I use low competition keyword, okay, I will rank higher than the other website. Okay, now that is it for this video. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Please implement the strategy I'm showing you. Okay, do not just come and watch and leave it. Okay, when you implement it, you definitely get result. See you on my next video. Thank you. Stay blessed.